Welcome back, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, we are going to talk about how to choose the default way links open in the Dolphin browser on mobile. If you use Dolphin Browser daily, first, open the Dolphin browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and click on the Dolphin icon. Then, in the menu that appears, find and click on the Settings icon. After that, click on Advanced Settings to see more detailed options. Next, scroll down again until you find the More option. Tap on it to open additional advanced preferences. Then, look for the option called Open Links In. Tap on it to choose how links should open when you browse. Now you can select between Open in Background tab or Open in New tab. Choose the option that best matches how you like to multitask while browsing. From now on, links will open exactly the way you selected in Dolphin Browser. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Dolphin Browser.